Hey, look, I get it. All you have to do to gain weight is not think about it, and it creeps right on. Are you having a hard time with weight loss right now? You've got some COVID pounds going on, been kind of digging into that comfort food a little bit? Me too. You are absolutely not alone. 3 out of 4 people right now are overweight or obese, and we need to get that in check so that we can avoid not only COVID, but heart disease and diabetes. So if you don't already have diabetes, you can avoid it. And if you do already have diabetes, did you know that you can reverse it? And did you know that exercise and healthy nutrition can avert premature death by 90%, as opposed to medication, which is only 20 to 30% effective? I've been through it. I've gained weight. I have been stressed out. My numbers shot way up. My cholesterol got out of control, my blood pressure got out of control, my blood sugar got out of control, I was diagnosed with prediabetes, and you can't feel it coming. But I got busy. I got off my butt, and I started working harder, working at a higher intensity, working out more consistently, and really focusing on my diet. And you can do that too. You don't have to starve yourself. You don't have to be miserable. You can super enjoy the foods that you're eating, but find ways to change your fats to healthy fats. Find a way to switch out your processed foods with healthy fruits and vegetables. And I will teach you some very, very simple rules to lose weight simply with a little bit of commitment from you. So if you really want to live longer, live healthier, you need to start working out, start eating healthier. But you can't do it alone. You need some help, you need some support, and that's what I'm here for. I am here to be your guide and to take you on this journey and to help you through it. Join me for a 90-day program where we just go step by step, little steps by little steps, and change your habits one at a time until all of a sudden you're like, what? I'm so healthy and I'm so happy and I feel so good. I can't believe it was so easy. The journey is not easy. It's simple, but it's going to take some work and some commitment. And it's really tough to make that commitment when nobody has your back. I'm here for you. I will bring you through an exercise program that's gentle and safe and super effective for losing weight. You can do it right in your own home in a very small, limited space. You don't need any equipment, and you can just get busy getting yourself in shape with me as your personal trainer. The difference between working out with me and working out with someone else is I'm going to take you step by step along this journey. We're going to learn proper form, proper technique. We're going to protect your knees, protect your back so that you don't have knee pain, back pain. I know a lot of people have a really hard time getting up and down off the floor. Maybe you just don't like to. I have developed a new workout program that doesn't involve getting up and down off the floor ever. You can do the whole workout standing up without any equipment. If you want to hold on to a wall or a chair while you do it, you can do that too. It's a great workout that gets your heart rate up, burns tons of calories, burns that fat, tones your legs, tones your tush, tones your abs, gets your whole body in shape without you ever having to get down on the floor. So now you can get the workout you need, get the results you want, get your numbers in line, lower that cholesterol, lower that blood pressure, avoid diabetes, or if you already have diabetes, you can even reverse it. So if you have prediabetes, or if you just know that you need to get healthier to avoid disease later on, this is the perfect program for you. What if in 90 days you could look back and not even recognize that former self because now you are living so healthy and you are so happy and you are so confident? Power Living 101 will do that for you. So commit, be ready to work, but I promise you it's doable, it's manageable, and you're gonna love every step of your journey. So join me and let's go do this. I got you, you got you, you are strong, you are determined, and you can do it. It's worth it, so worth it, and you are worth it. You got this.